Alright, YouTube, we are at Mesquite staging area, North Mesa, above Sycamore Creek. I'm taking the 250 XCF out. My buddy here's got the 450 XCF. So same bike, just different size motor. So I've taken this out on a few trips already, but we're gonna go out on these trails and see how it goes. Should be eventful. My bike's a little cold still. Gotta warm her up. There's neutral, of course, and we're starting off in low power mode, of course. Oh dang, lots of water over here. Man, oh no, I hit neutral. Like I haven't adjusted my levers yet since I got the bike. I'm just powering through this. Man, my bike. Does your bike stall as easy as mine, or is it just clutch control? Oh no! Oh, man. I hit neutral. My freaking thing went straight into neutral. I hit the rock. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh man. Hold on. Like, shift lever needs to be adjusted for tension, the fun of dirt biking. And for everyone at YouTube watching this, I am a beginner dirt biker, as you just saw. Oh man, almost made it. Oh. Yeah, these uneven spots always get me. I mean, we'll make it up one way or another. The key is just to go balls out. Yeah, are you in first or second?
I'm in first.
Okay. The key is just, if I prevent it from stalling, I'm okay. Hell yeah. My first hill ever that I didn't stall. See everyone, dirt biking can be fun sometimes. is there a different, or we could go back and go the other way down? Really? Did you put her sideways at all? Oh. Or is it the clutch overheating? Go down nice and slow. No risking it for the biscuit. Let's follow those guys down the little rutted out trail here. Oh yeah, she's tight. Yeah, I'm walking her down. Oh, which way? Oh, there, I'm down. It's just I hit this rut here and yeah. Also, I wasn't standing up for this one, so I probably should have. Oh, nice. Look at those rocks. That's crazy. Oh, wow. Oh, that's awesome. More clutch. There we go. Oh, you oh. Piece of shit. Is there anyone else coming down this way? Okay. Yeah, across right there, the white one. There's like car parts up there too. A recluse clutch, yeah. Can you put those on a 2-stroke? Oh, nice. At least an hour just to get used to the bike again, you know, before riding, before being comfortable with it again. You know what sucks is not having a brake light on these bikes. Yeah, like following someone and yay, water crossings. I love water crossing. Oh yeah. No, let's keep going up the wash. I ain't trying to do anything sketchy. We started off with sketchy. man. But still trying to maintain a good braking control if I need to. Oh shit. Getting squirrely, getting squirrely. Alright, oh man. Well, this will be fun. Oh shit, this one it looks even steeper. Alright, here goes nothing. Alright, we're detour. Whatever works. Alright, now this is a mountain bike trail for sure. What the hell is this? Oh yeah, I like these trees though. Oh, I remember this part. Yeah. Yeah, I know. This is what I want, like forest trails. Like Flagstaff. Flagstaff has all that. Alright, YouTube. We had a good ride at Mesquite staging area. This is kind of Sycamore Creek OHV. Pretty easy to get to right off the highway there. Definitely fell a few times. Dropped the bike a few times. And that's why we don't buy anything new that we're going to drop 300 times. Yeah, it was a fun ride. Bike did well. No complaints. Alright. Thanks for watching. I'm tired.